Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, we'll learn how to set up a local campaign in Google Ads 2026. Local campaigns help drive foot traffic to your physical store location by advertising. For example, as you can see, this is this pizza place. You can find this in the maps. You can visit their physical store. So let's get your local business noticed, just like this pizza place, and attract more customers. Now, let's follow these few simple steps. The first step is to choose your campaign logo. Now, before you do that, you're gonna have to search your Google Ads account. If you haven't already, you're just gonna go here in this website and make sure to log in with your account. After that, you're gonna click on Start Now, and you're gonna enter your business name and your website. As you can see here, the website is mandatory. Make sure to fill in the information here to create your business in the Google Ads interface. Once you do that, you're gonna start the new campaign by clicking on New Campaign, and then we're gonna select from here, from these options right here, you're gonna select Sales or Local Store Visits and Promotions. You can select here. As you can see, it says Drive Sales Online, in app, by phone, or in store, or you can choose the Local Store Visits and Promotion. It's this one right here, as you can see. Once you select them, you're gonna select the local campaign type. You're gonna go to the campaign types. As you can see, campaign types here, and then you're going to choose the local campaign as campaign type. We're going to go here. As you can see, we're going to look for the campaign type, the local one. We can't find it here. We're just going to go and search for the options, as you can see here, and you're going to choose the local campaign type as the campaign type. And then you're going to click on Continue. Once you do that, you're going to configure the campaign settings. You're going to name your campaign. You're going to set your daily budget and choose the location you want to target. For example, your business physical location. And then add your business location by linking your Google My Business account and select the store or location you want to promote. Then you're going to upload creative assets by adding images and videos and write a compelling ad copy and call to action. After that, you're going to define your audience. Now, you're going to set up audience signals, including demographics and interests, and Google optimize deliveries to nearby potential customers. And the seventh step is to review and launch. You're going to double check all the campaign details, and then you're going to click on Publish to launch your local campaigns. And that's how you set up a local campaign in Google Ads 2026. With the right targeting and creative, you'll drive more visitors to your store and boost local sales. And that's it for today's tutorial. If you liked this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.